clip, you're just going to see me changing the engine air filter. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk through the whole video, so I just hope you enjoy. In this clip, you're just going to see me change out the cabin filter. You're just going to see me unhook the latch from the right side, and that's how you change your cabin air filter. Like, look how dirty this cabin air filter was. Like, I was literally inhaling all of that in. And for you to insert it back in, just make sure you look for the little part that says filtered insert downward part. And that's how you put it back in. This will be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Yeah.